Hi guys, I'm happy to tell you that the updated version of Advanced Culling system is completed. Since Advanced Culling system is actually completely reworked, I decided to not upload update, but create a new separate asset. For those who have already purchased it, access to the new asset will be free. A couple of minutes ago I pushed the last commit, and I'm excited to show you some new features of the static culling module. In addition to the meshes, there are a lot of point lights on the scene, and I also have placed FF particle systems. Let's see how the advanced culling system handles this. As you can see, everything works fine, the invisible meshes, lights and particle systems are disabled. As soon as I finish making the tutorial video, the new asset will appear in the asset store. Subscribe to the channel, join the group in Discord and follow updates. Thanks for staying with me, goodbye.